A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would have to be wary of the extra bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. He didn't get any timing on that one. Very good running between the wickets. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. Good stop. Saved a certain boundary.
He had sharp shooting pains down his leg and his lower back was killing him for years. Watch what he did to get relief in minutes. I'm 49. I'm gonna see him.
Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. it. Absolutely bang on the stumps. Mid-off fielder goes to the boundary. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Oh, huge appeal. Batsman in a spot of bother there. The on-field umpire goes upstairs. And yes, he gets his man. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Well placed into the gap, possible two. Yeah, that's very close, very close. The umpire thinks otherwise. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? That's an excellent throw. Excellent running between the wickets. Good laying, then the batsman watches it through. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.
A man applied Total Relief Dead Sea Magnesium Cream to his burning, numb feet in the morning. This is what happens to his body after 8 hours. After 2 minutes,
The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Good shot for a single. Nailed it. Absolutely. Perfect throw. Excellent running between the wickets. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Well, that's a massive 6. Made a cracking sound at the bat. No ball called. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.